Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. If you're watching this, then you want to know how to change the water filter in your fridge. And so I'm going to actually show you how you can do that. A couple things you need to know. Number one, you need to change this about every 6 months or so. Also, some fridges actually show you when you need to change it. For example, mine right here, when you try to get some water, it actually tells you that you need to replace your water filter right there. It even says right before that you actually need to go ahead and order one before it gets into the red. And so that's a great indicator when you actually need to get one ready. Or again, just every 6 months, you can actually write it on your filter so you know when that 6 month time period is up. But we're actually going to go ahead and open it up, and I'm going to show you how you can change your filter. Well, hey guys, this is where our water filter is located. If you're wondering which filter you actually need, you can check out your model number right here. It'll show you which one, or you can Google it. Either one, you should be able to figure it out. But what you're going to do is just press on this. It's going to click forward, and then it's going to kick back. And when it kicks back, you can actually pull it right out. What I normally do is take this to the sink or put it in a bucket or something like that so it can kind of drain out a little bit, and I'll grab our new filter and I'll show you where it goes. So I got a new filter. I'm going to put this in right exactly where the other one just went. It has a little ridge, so I'll be careful of that. You're just going to push this in. When it kind of gets to a point, you're just going to click it in, and it should be good to go. If you're wondering if it was clicked right, you can kind of pull it a little bit. It should be snug in there. You can also, again, write the date right here if you would like to. If you're wondering, when 6 months was, you can write the date so you'll always know, or you can just use the indicator on your screen like I do. But that's how you put it in, and then I'm going to show you what you need to do after that. So once you have replaced your filter, the next thing you're going to want to do is run about 2 gallons of water through your water line. You want to get some of that sediment and stuff out of your filter and out of your line and discard that water. So you're going to run about 2 gallons worth, or approximately 3 minutes worth of water through your water line. You might have some sputtering from this. You might have a little sputter or sometimes like that right there. Or it might take a minute to kind of get going, and that is actually fine. I'm glad it did that. Just kind of wanted to show you some of the things it might do. It'll kind of get going, getting some of the air out of there, and then it will pick back up and start to fill your bowl or your cup or whatever you might have up. But again, just kind of keep up with the time, or you can keep up with the amount of water that goes through there. Either one should be good. But that's going to be what kind of happens after you replace the filter. Once you've run about 3 minutes worth of water through your water line, you should be good to go, and the water looks pretty clean. Another thing you can do is actually change your filter on here. I actually just did this, but you can go right here to your water filter. You can hold this button and replace it, and it'll actually tell you when you need to replace your water filter again. But if this video was helpful, I'd love for you to leave a like or subscribe for more videos like this. And I'd love to know if you have any questions, you can put them down in the comments. But I hope you guys have a great day.